Hello, and welcome to Mind and Money Show, where we talk all things mindset, money management, and our entrepreneurial journey. Along the way, we're going to throw in some amazing guests for good measure. I'm Shane Hyland.
I'm Gareth Shears. This show is going to change your life and teach you skills that school never taught you.
Boom.
Okay, what would you say to £150 and knowing all the secrets to beating everyone else to buying your dream home? Okay, so look no further as today we launch our mortgage buyers course. The course will equip you with all the answers and the skills to buy your first home or secure that new home for your growing family. Our one-off cost course is £27. And with that, you get a voucher for £150 off Sanctuary Financial Planning's mortgage fees. What more can you actually ask for? So who is this actually for? So it's for first-time buyers, home movers, and you can also buy it for a friend or a family member who is looking to buy their first house. With the house buying process getting more and more complex each week in the UK, using this course could mean the difference between winning or losing in the house buying game. Check out the link to buy your course today. Do not miss out. Thanks for listening, and if you enjoyed this episode, then please subscribe and remember to follow us on social media for more content like this.